Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we have here the S9 Ultra smartwatch, and this time we are going to check on one of its main features. So it has the support for, as you can see here, Bluetooth phone call. So we have here the dialer as well as a phone book. Okay, we also have a call records here, or call logs, so we are going to check on that. Okay, and of course that is with a Fit Pro support app. Okay, so we are going to check the Bluetooth call as well as the SMS and app notifications. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Our smartwatch is already paired here with the Fit Pro support app. Again, it is using the Fit Pro support app. Okay, so let's open the Fit Pro. Let's check first the settings for the message notification. So we have it here. So tap on it. Okay, and we will check, okay, whether it is already activated or not. So the call reminder here is okay. Okay, let's activate this one. So set successfully. Let's activate our application. We are going to use the WhatsApp application. Okay, I guess the permissions has already been set in the installation, the first phase of the installation. Okay, do we have other settings that we can check or set? Seems like everything is okay. So let's start. Okay, so we have here our smartwatch, and we have here our other phone. Okay, so let's open. Let's start with the application notification. Okay, so we have our WhatsApp application here. Okay, so let's have a new message. Hello, this is from hello S9 Ultra. Okay, so let's try. Okay, can we see a push notification? It has been set. Okay, so there's a delay, but we have it here. New message. Okay, can we read it here? So let's see. Message. Okay, seems like it's just a notifications here and no option to read. Yeah, let's have another one. Okay, any number, any letters. Okay, so we have it here. Okay, at least you can read the messages. The previous one I didn't notice. Okay, whether we can we cycle to the different messages? No. Do we have option? Messages. One message at a time. Okay, the previous message is gone. It's not here anymore. Okay, as you can see here. Well, let's have another one. Let's see if the previous message will not be available anymore. This is a second message. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so this is the second message. You can read it here, as you can see, but our previous message is not available anymore, so it can store only one message. Again, okay, no option to cycle or navigate to other messages. Okay, tell me if you have a different one. Okay, but so far in my case here, one message per, or one notification per message. I mean, one notification or one message is available in our smartwatch. Okay, how about a call? Let's see. A call. Okay, so we have incoming call here, voice call. So it is a message. Okay, only call notification. There's no option to receive it here or to accept calls if it's an app notification. Okay, so let's proceed with a SMS. Okay, so let's compose a number or a message here. SMS to S9 Ultra. Okay, so let's see. Send a message. The message has been sent. Okay, so we have a different logo here. SMS to S9 Ultra. Again, let's access. Okay, here, let's see. Okay, so seems like it's now confirmed. You can only accept one message at a time. Okay, you don't have an option to read the previous messages. If you want, you can just go to your smartphone. Okay, so that's it. It works with the SMS and the app notifications. So let's proceed with the phone book or phone call, Bluetooth call. So we have here settings here, frequent contacts. Okay, so let's try to add a number. Can we add a number? So far we don't have any contacts here in our phone book. Okay, so let's add here. Add a contact. So select here. Let's cancel it again. Okay, this one. Let's see. Okay, it's committing. Set successfully. Let's see if it's automatically added here. Okay, we have it here, as you can see. On some phone. So we have the number here. Let's try to call. Okay, let's see if this smartphone can receive the call. Dialer, phone book. Okay, so it's not working, as you can see here. Okay, I think we have to set something. Let's check. Okay, let's go to our Bluetooth settings. Let's see. Okay, so we have here S9 Ultra call. Seems like it's not yet added. So let's tap on it and see whether the Bluetooth call works now. Allow access to your contacts and call history. Tap on it and pair. Okay, it's now active. Phone calls, media audio, and contact sharing. Okay, so let's try again. Okay, phone book. Oh, it's gone. Again, let's go back to our Fit Pro app. Phone book. Frequent contacts. It's here, but it's not available here in my smartwatch. Okay, it's here. Okay, just need to refresh it, I think. Okay, so let's try. Phone book, tap on it, and now it seems like it's working. Okay, so this one is already calling this number. Let's see if we can receive it here. Okay, incoming calls. We hear the sound. Okay, I'm just going to block the calls. Okay, so far it works. Okay, let's see if we can adjust the volume here. Is there an option for a much louder ringtone? Okay, there is no option. Okay, again, So it works for the phone book. Let's check about the dialer. Later on, we are going to answer the phone call. 0969615839. Okay, so let's call. Okay, okay, so far it works. Okay, so the dial pad works, the phone book works, and last one, let's see. Let's try to answer calls. Okay, let's go here and let's call this number. Okay, let's answer it here. Now it's someone's calling. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, let's try to answer the number or the call. Hello, this is a test, so it works. Bye. Okay, so the Bluetooth, okay, phone call works, or the Bluetooth call works with the S9 Ultra smartwatch. So far, everything works. Just don't forget to add the S9 Ultra call on your Bluetooth, even though that you already paired with your smartwatch. Okay, just enable the permission to accept calls as well as phone book synchronization. Okay, so the dialer works, the phone book works, as well as the SMS and app notification works. Okay, so that is our demo for the S9 Ultra Smartwatch Bluetooth phone call. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below, and of course, we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.